What's up guys, the new massage gun from Bob and Brad doesn't look like the previous ones we tested on our channel Tech Brothers. According to the company, the new design is more ergonomic and portable, so you can use it on the go. However, the massage gun still has a good amplitude of 12 mm, 5 attachments to relieve various muscle groups, and USB-C port with fast charging support. So let's try out the new Bob and Brad AR2 massage gun in this video and find out if the new design is really more comfortable. I'm going to start with unboxing because it is important to know what you are getting when you buy a product. So we can see the image of the massage gun and some of its features on the front of the box. There is also a description and some parameters on the back. By the way, if you have never heard of Bob and Brad, then you can read their story on the side of the box. In short, they are physical therapists with a very popular YouTube channel with almost 5 million subscribers. Getting back to the unboxing of the new massage gun. Inside the box, we have a sturdy case. There is a big Bob and Brad logo on the case, so we are sure it is designed and made specifically for this company. When you open it, you will find a massage gun, 5 attachments, USB-C charging cable and user manual. By the way, the user manual is in different languages such as English, German, French, Italian and Spanish. It will be helpful for you to read it so you know how to use the attachments. The design of the Bob and Brad AR2 is unique to the massage gun. At least I haven't seen anything like it before. It has a triangle rounded shape. You can hold it with one hand if you are using it for yourself or with 2 hands for other person. The case is made of soft plastic that doesn't slip in your hands. However, it leaves fingerprints, especially if you have sweaty palms. The dimensions of the massage gun without the attachment are 130 by 125 by 50 mm. The weight is 540 grams. You know, I really like the new design because the massage gun is comfortable to hold in one hand. If we take a closer look at the massage gun, there are 2 heat sinks at the top and bottom for cooling the brushless motor inside. You can also use USB Type-C port for charging the massage gun. The Bob and Brad AR2 has only one physical button. A long press turns the massage gun on and off, and a short press switches modes. There are 3 power modes available on this massage gun. LED indicators tells you which mode you are using. The speed in the first mode is 1750 RPM, and the speed in the second and third modes is 2050 and 2400 RPM respectively. So the control is very simple and intuitive. By the way, I want to check the noise level of the Bob and Brad AR2 massage gun. So at first speed, the noise level is 50 decibels. The massage gun is a little louder at the second speed, but it is still quiet, 51 decibels. The maximum noise level of the Bob and Brad AR2 is 53 decibels. Now let's talk about attachments. I am not a professional physical therapist, as you probably are, so I don't know how to use the attachments. In this case, we need to read the user manual. There is a table with massages heads, such as large no, standard ball, AR cushion, U-shape and bullet. The table shows the body parts for which you should use each attachment and speed recommendation. We can also read how to relieve pain in chest, ABS, arms, upper back, shoulders, biceps, triceps, forearms, feet, hip flexors, shins, glutes, hamstrings, calves and feet. By the way, all attachments are made of high-quality silicone and ABS, so they are skin-safe and heat-resistant. The Bob and Brad AR2 is a wireless massage gun because it has a built-in battery with a capacity of 4800 mAh. The battery life at first speed is about 4 hours. That's very good for a compact massage gun. The full battery charge takes 210 minutes. In addition, Bob and Brad AR2 has an auto-off timer after 10 minutes, so you will know exactly how much you use the massage gun. So I think we have talked about all the features of this product. Although this is not the most powerful massage gun, it will definitely be enough for most people. Compact size and durable case allows you to carry it with you everywhere. I also like the new triangle design of the Bob & Pratt AR2 massage gun because it is comfortable to hold in one hand. By the way, I didn't talk about the price, but it is very affordable. You can buy the new massage gun for only $69 on Amazon and the official website. I think this is a very useful device for athletes or any person to relieve muscle pain. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!